In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Notion forms. Whether you're collecting feedback, creating surveys, or just gathering information efficiently, Notion forms offers a user-friendly interface that makes the process a breeze. So let's dive right in and get you started. First, we need to open a page in Notion. This will be the space where your form will reside and interact with other blocks or data you've stored. Once your page is open, the magic begins by typing Camel form directly onto your page. This simple command will prompt the creation of a new form block, setting the stage for the rest of your setup. If you're new to Notion, remember that these kinds of shortcuts are designed to save you time and make the creation process as seamless as possible. Now that your form block is ready, the first step is to give it a title. This title should clearly reflect the purpose of your form, making it easy for respondents to understand what kind of information they're expected to provide. Clear titling can be crucial for setting the context right at the start. With your form titled, it's time to move on to your first question. Click on question 1, which you will see pre-listed on your form. Here, you'll type in the question you want your respondents to answer. Make sure that it's clear and direct. This will help in getting concise responses while ensuring that the purpose of the question is easily understood. After you've posed your question, it's time to determine how you'd like respondents to answer it. Click on the Respondent's Answer field. This is where you can customize the type of response you need. Options may include multiple choice, text input, or even a date picker. Each of these options will cater to different needs depending on your form's intent, allowing you to extract the most relevant information efficiently. As you continue, you might want to add another question, which brings us to question 2. Click on it and type in your second question just as you did the first, and if your question involves multiple potential responses, you'll need to click option 1 to enter choices for a multiple choice setup. The ability to provide respondents with set choices can make responses easier to analyze later. Sometimes, 2 questions simply aren't enough. If you wish to add more questions to your form, look for the plus sign below your current questions. Clicking this allows you to seamlessly integrate new questions and follow along with the on-screen prompts. Each new query you add should follow the same structure: clear, concise questions and thoughtfully considered response options. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to creating an organized and efficient form using Notion. Please ensure that your questions and response options remain relevant to your objectives, making the data collection process both meaningful and straightforward. Thanks for tuning in, and happy form making!